Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 Sport Sportback. The car has the daytime running lights with the lower front fog lights, and at the side of the vehicle we have the 16-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels. Moving around to the rear, the car's got the 5 doors, making it very convenient for a small car. With the single polished chrome exhaust, and this car is also the TFSI petrol engine. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145 point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the electronic folding exterior mirrors with the black cloth with cream insert on the front seats, auto headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel, Audi's MMR display with air conditioning and a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1 Sport, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.